Then the trucks came over the hill.
Always Coca-Cola. Tis the season, it's always the real thing. Holidays are coming. Always Coca-Cola.
The new Vauxhall Meriva.
2 worlds in one car.
With twin audio, so we get the radio.
While we listen to our CDs.
And flexible seating.
So our babysitter can come too.
The new Meriva from Vauxhall.
Meet the experts of PC World.
PC World's a great place to come for gifts. With everything for computing this Christmas, and we're stamping down on prices too. Like £20 off this brilliant disco storage device. Perfect for carrying your PC files, photos and music. This Logitech cordless keyboard and optical mouse. A high-performance package down to half price. Plus £100 off this Olympus 4 million pixel digital camera with 3 times optical zoom. And £50 off this 17-inch Samsung TFT monitor, so you can upgrade in style. Any advice, just ask. Right gifts, right prices, right now, at PC World.
Splinter Cell Team Stealth Action, coming soon to Ngage.
Where are you?
Are you paying too much for pay-as-you-go?
I better go.
New Mixit mixes the value of contract with the fixed bill you choose. Mixit, new from T-Mobile.
New Extra Mints, the extraordinary mint. A cool, minty burst. Then the delicious mint itself. But even after the mint has gone, the cool, clean mouth freshness goes on.
Smin prosić slično.
New Wrigley's Extra Mints. The freshness goes on.
Bacardi, welcome to the Latin Quarter.
I use the pen, because the pen is mightier than the sword. But you always must keep a sword handy for when the pen fails.
Why not use Gandhi's way? He didn't have any guns, and he beat the British Empire.
I'm not familiar with that.
Bowling for Columbine, Saturday at 9 on 4.